Alright guys, the inspection for my Lexus RX450h, it didn't pass because the lights, tail lights, that one and that one were broke. This one have a little crack there, over there, and the other one was missing a little piece, so I needed to replace it. To replace it, it's almost $1,000, and that was a lot of money. So I got these brand new ones. It cost me like $450, brand new. This Lexus Auto or Outlet, I think it's called, the area where you can buy the parts. And it's not that hard to replace it, but you just need to have the right tools. Like this nut is connecting right there on these holes that you see, like that hole over there is one of these, and it's the screw that are really big. You see, they're really deep, so you need like a really good tool. Like I was using this, is number 10, but you have to be careful because it can fall inside the hole and you're not gonna be able to get it. So basically you just put it right there and then you turn it, and then it's not super tight. When you lose it, it's easy to remove it by hands. So, but first you need to remove a screw from here, another screw from there, and this is pop up easy. This one too, this one I just use a putty knife to remove it, a putty knife, and then I just remove that cover, which is this. I remove this cover too from over there, and I remove this part and that one, which is just going there with the little clips. With this one I only have one screw there too, which is going right there, right there. So you remove that, two screws here, one screw there, and then you open it, and then you see this right here is where this clip's going. So this clip is going over there, and then the other one is this one, which on this light I'm gonna need to remove it because I need it. I need this part, so you need to remove this part so this light bulb can go there. This is coming already with the light. I don't know why the other one didn't come. So I just need to remove this part and put it right there so I can connect it right there. So you disconnect these two, and then when you remove 4 nuts, the whole light coming out. And this one is brand new, it's already broke. Oh shit. And this one right here on the back, it have one screw right there, the same, the other one over there, and then you have 2 here, one here, one there, which you need to remove one screw from here and one screw from there, and this is get loose. This is get loose. This is get loose, and that's when you can remove these 2 screws from here. When you remove this, is coming easy too. You just pull down, and then you can have access better to unplug the light. Which you see right there is only 2 screws, and these other 2 right there. So pretty much and then you just have to put back everything again. So just please subscribe so I can continue making these videos. Remember, this is Lexus 2010. Okay, into the next.